Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin with a targeted assessment. Book a comprehensive eye exam now and tell the clinician about medications and symptom onset. Once done, follow simple hygiene. Apply the 20-20-20 rule, reduce glare and optimize lighting so strain drops immediately. Make sure to log sleep, screen hours, and any headaches, these guide choices. You're initiating diagnostic steps that determine whether corrective lenses, therapy, or referral will be needed. This establishes the baseline for every next intervention. Once you have updated prescriptions, start using them consistently and confirm contact fit or prism alignment with the clinician. Then, progress to active rehabilitation. Follow a vision therapy plan for eye tracking, convergence, and accommodation exercises. Do daily short sessions and track improvement. Make sure to adjust lifestyle factors concurrently. Improve ergonomics, add nutrients like omega-3s, and use blue light filters during long work periods. These combined steps address functional deficits and support measurable visual gains over weeks. If functional therapy and lenses don't restore vision, review advanced correction options with a surgeon and weigh risks. LASIK, PRK, or lens replacement for structural refractive correction. Once you choose a procedure, follow strict post-operative care. Use prescribed drops, avoid rubbing, and attend every follow-up so healing tracks normally. If progress stalls at any stage, get a repeat comprehensive exam and request a neuro-ophthalmology referral. Make sure to reassess systemic medications or conditions that can mask.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.